Good morning, friends. Welcome to Horse Ride. Today we are going to see the gameplay of Car Mechanic Simulator 2018. So this is your carriage. Here you can see so many items is available, toolkits, computer, and engine crane. So like the toolkit, toolbox, like that. So many options is available. Let me take a order. Right click on anywhere in the game and go to order tab. Here they are having two orders. One is brake failure, one is having more than half year old, so need to check the car. So let me take the first braking issues. Take the order. Yeah, it will take some time for loading. Yeah, it's loaded. Here your car has been arrived for the service. So let me take the test drive to. Yeah, what we are going to do is here the loading page, everything I will delete it. Okay, go to the main gate and use left mouse button to open the map. Here you can go to the test track and select the car what you are having. Select the model to go for the test drive. Yeah, we have taken that car for the test drive. So you can drive the car for the testing. You can see the highlighted mark, and in that highlighted mark you have to follow the path to complete the test drive. So it won't take much time. So you can test the car drive to know more about there is any other problem in the car. Okay, test drive is completed. So there is any problem we come to know about in that statistics, which it comes from after driving the car. So to test it, in basic levels, whatever it comes is the basic issues like there is a problem with caliber, there is a problem with the disc pad. So like that basic small issues only comes. So whenever your level increase in the game, so you have to find the where is the problem in the car and you have to ready the car. So that's the thing also here. After making a test drive, here you come to know that all the spares, what are the spare parts is available, the conditions you will come to know. So whenever it comes the conditions is below around 20% or 25%, you have to change the spares. Okay, so now a car everything is other conditions okay, they can run continuously. Okay, let me move the car to the lifter. Okay, go near to the car and move the cursor to the car and right click and move the car to the car lifter A. So now car has been moved. So you can press this car lift button and click to lift the car, and you have to lift little bit more because there is a problem with disc pad and caliber. So let me see the status once again with the car. Right click, highlight the move the cursor to the car and right click and car status. So car pad, disc, caliber and ABS pump. Okay, so let me ready these sames. Okay, let me purchase the car pad and disc and caliber and ABS pump. Go to the computer and click. So here is the website which comes for purchasing the spares. Okay, you are having the balance 4000 now, $4,000. Okay, go to the main spare parts and so let me purchase a pad. Search the pad and enter and purchase it, and then we disc caliber Yeah, here is the caliber cylinder. So let me this also we can keep it in stock for purchase, and this is the caliber, brake caliber. Okay, I have purchased the same. So I think we required one more two numbers. I think so. I just purchase it once again. So here is the amount and quantity. You can increase the quantity to increase it. So next I go to the pad. So I purchase one more because left and right, front left and right is having problem. I hope. So like we have purchased two now. ABS system is having problem. ABS search and type here ABS pump. Yeah, this is the pump which one is having problem. ABS pump. So I just purchase that too. Okay, now let's again go to the car and remove the wheel first. Highlight the wheel so you can see when you once you highlight the car, you can see this parts is highlighted separately for each item. So now we can see that car wheel is highlighted, and left click it, it will zoom. So what is the green mark source? You can see that when I mark that red, so red means so before removing the before spare you can't able to remove the other spare. So you have to remove the first before spare whatever it's available material. So whenever it shows green, you can able to remove it. Now it's in the unmount mode. Okay, so you can click the tire that green color and hold it for some second. You can able to see some highlighter mark is coming on your circle. So that is the time it takes to select the car. And here you can able to see that yellow color mark is border. You can use W yes to move the view, turn the view for wherever you are having the spare. So you can able to see it's highlighted so many yellow bolts. So that is need to remove the bolt. So whenever it comes green, you can hold for some second to remove the bolt. For I use the left mouse key. Okay, now our tire has. Yeah, the rear wheel is having problem here. You can able to see which one is showing red mark. That is the disc and brake pad. Which one we are having problem here? Okay, this wheel only having problem. Rear wheel. Click that and screw the everything and remove the wheel. And we are going to change this disc pad and disc ventilator. Because once we remove only we come to know there is a problem with the spare or not. Okay, here we have to add part mount and disc. Okay, disc we have not purchased new. Okay, right, let me go and purchase soon and come back. Disc. Sorry, I have a little bit cold. And add a part mount. Add the new disc. Ooh, it looks shiny. Okay. Okay, let me add the new caliber disc pad, and the caliber will be old. I think it's the condition is good, 40%. That is enough for us. Yeah, we have added the new spare. Zoom in and zoom out. You can use the left click button, and you can use the scroll mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Yeah, this side is ready now. Let me go and see another wheel. Zoom it and go to right click and examine mode. Yeah, here we are having I hope it's caliper is having problem. Okay, if we go to part unmount and select the wheel and hold it for some second and unscrew it. Okay, here is we are having that caliper problem. Here also you can do the examine mode, right click. Okay, before that press escape, right click and examine mode. Okay, caliber is having a problem, part unmount and unmount the brake caliber. Brake caliber which is holds the brake pad. Right click and part mount. Now mount the part caliber with the new one, and this also let it be new. Yes, okay, fine. Now it's add up and mount the wheel. So in the game, if you see that everything looks easy for car simulator, car service, but if you see in real life, it's very too hard to do with all the works. Okay, and it take more time. And see the car status. Yeah, here brake pad disc is ready. Now we have to see the ABS pump. So ABS pump where it's located inside the engine, not inside the engine, inside the service engine part area. And click the hood and click the button to zoom the engine. Okay, here where is the brake? Ooh, here is the thing, right? So here this is the ABS system. So this part is having problem. So this one is ABS model is good, so I'm going to remove this ABS model only. Okay, now this part is removed. We are going to remove this ABS pump also, and we are going to assemble it. Right click and part mount, assemble it with new one. Ooh, and assemble these parts too. So this having condition 80%, it's works correct, no problem to change. Okay, now this car is completely ready with services. Press escape and close the hood. Right, you can see the car status. Yeah, it's ready. Whatever we have ready is ready, and money spent is in our area is 1133, and take bonus some amount and job bonus, and total 1700. So we are having get profit around $600 approximate. Click finish the order. Yeah, sorry, I think 400 only we are having dollar having profit in this. Okay, so this is the way how to complete the job. So like this many cards will be coming, so you can do it. Okay, let me see the next video. Subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel, subscribe it and click the bell icon. You'll be getting new videos. You will get the notification to view it immediately. Bye bye.